local at Siddipet district. Today I am going to show you how to make paper flowers. Isn't it interesting? Right. Today I'll show you how to make paper flowers very easily. First you all need is to make these paper flowers, color papers. You need color papers, broomsticks, pair of scissors, green tape. Now I'll show you how to make these flowers easily. Now I want to show you this flower, hibiscus. Isn't it looking beautiful? I'll show you how to make this flower. First I am taking this paper and cutting this into half. First you need to cut this. Next I am making it into another half. Observe it carefully, Nana, what I am doing here. Next into another half. Now I am taking pencil and marking drawing a petal shape here. Now I am cutting this petal shape. Cut this very gently. You have to handle the scissor very carefully, Nana. I am cutting this. See here, after opening this, I got 8 petals here. Now what you have to do is, for hibiscus we just need 5 petals, right? So now I am cutting these 2 extra petals from this. Now I am cutting this. I am removing this out. Now your paper will be like this. Now you have to take the glue. First of all, cut this extra one little bit more, so that your flower will bend more easily back. Now I am pasting this like this. Now I want to paste this like this. See here. Watch this carefully. Now I am applying glue here and I am overlapping this on this. I am overlapping 2 petals on each other. Now what you have to do is, I am taking this pair of scissors and I am turning this back. I am doing this like this. Observe it carefully how I am doing, so that the petal will bend little bit back. Okay, Nana. Now what you have to do is, you have to take one broomstick. Here for this you have to cut both the edges of the broomstick. Okay, na? I am cutting both the edges of the broomstick. And you have to take out the excess part from out here. See here, you have to take this excess part. Observe this carefully. You have to take this unwanted part. And now what I am doing here is, I am taking another yellow color paper here, yellow color strip of paper, and I want to cut this into like small strips I want to give here. I'm folding this and I'm cutting this. Observe it carefully. I'm cutting this into small pieces, not till the end. I have marked here one line and I'm cutting till there. Okay, Nana? See here how I am doing. See, I have finished my cutting. Now you have to open this like this. Now for this broomstick, I'll rotate this. Take Fevicol and apply glue here. Now I am keeping this here. I want to rotate this here. See how I am rotating here. Isn't it easy? See how I am doing? You have to rotate this like this. It's very easy. You can do this in your houses. See how fastly I have completed this. Okay. See, next what I am doing is, till here it is completed. Now I will insert this into this. Okay, na? See how I am inserting this. Apply some glue here. See, I am applying glue here to attach this, and I am keeping here. Okay, na? Now what you have to do is, next take some piece of green color paper and take a small strip. Chala slow cheyala. And I'm cutting this piece of paper, and I want to cut this into triangles here, like this. See here how I am doing. Okay, Nana, what I am doing, are you getting this? See, now I have cutted this like this. Now you have to rotate this here. You have to apply glue here and you have to rotate this here. See how I am doing this. Now what you have to do is, after this you have to take green tape, or else if you are not having green tape, you can take this green color paper and you can cut this into small strip and you can rotate here. Okay, now I am having green tape, so I am taking this green tape and I will rotate this here. See how I am rotating this here. If you are not having green tape, you can cut this into a small strip, or else you are having the idea of quilling paper. You can take quilling paper and you can keep quilling paper. You can rotate, take that quilling paper and you can rotate that quilling paper. Okay na? See, now your flower has been completed. Isn't it easy? See how beautiful it is looking. Somewhat I am making this petals little backside here by rotating this with my scissor. Is that clear, Nana? How I made this flower? Next, this has been completed. Now I'll show you the easiest one, how to make a string with broomstick and thermocol balls. Okay na? As usual, first you have to take the broomstick and you have to clean it, the excess part. First you have to cut the excess part. You have to remove the excess part very carefully, as I have shown you in the previous flower making. Okay na? Now what you have to do is, you have to take the thermocol balls. See, these are easily available in the market and you need is broomstick. You have to take out the waste part from the broomstick and you have to take the thermocol balls and you have to insert this. You can insert this one after another. You have to insert this very carefully, Nana. Be careful while inserting this, and you have to, while inserting, you should give 1 inch gap in this. You can take these thermocol balls or you can take shiny thermocol balls, or if you are interested you can keep pearls also. There are variety of material available in the market, so whatever you want you can use that. See how I am doing. You have to insert one after another very carefully. If you want, you can take the help of your parents while doing this to remove the unwanted part of broomstick. Okay, Nana? See, now this is ready here. This string is ready. See here, I have made so many strings like this. Aren't they looking beautiful? And the next one is, I'll show the easiest flower now. For this, I'll show you this grass flower. This will be very easy for you. All can make this. First of all, you have to fold the paper and cut it into half. You have to cut the paper into half. And next you have to make the another fold. See here, I am making another fold here and mark a line here to cut the strings. Okay na? Now you have to cut this paper till here, till the marked point. I have marked half inch here, so till here you have to cut it. Now I am cut this very carefully. See how I am cutting. Handle your scissors very carefully, Nana. See, cut till the end of the paper, not till the end of the paper. I have marked, I am cutting there only. After cutting this, you have to remove this like this. Open this like this. Now you have to turn this like this. You have to turn this like this and you should glue it. See, I am keeping here glue and I am pasting this. See how I am pasting this here. Okay, na? And keep this aside. After doing this, keep this aside. Now take the green color paper and rotate it like this to make the stem. To make the stem, you have to take the green color paper, half paper you require. Then I am rotating this like this. If you want measurements, you can take 10 into 21 centimeters. See, I am rotating this and making this little thin. And you have to apply Fevicol here and close it. Now cut this edges. And now what you have to do is, you can also make leaves here. Same for leaves also. You have to cut the paper and same. I don't want so many leaves here, so I am cutting this here like this. I want only some leaves here. Now you have to cut this same as we have done in the previous one for the orange paper. I am cutting this. After this, you have to roll this. Now this also has been completed. What we did for the orange one, we have reversed this and we have kept Fevicol and we have pasted this, right? For this also we should do the same. See, we have reversed that and we are pasting this. Now for this stick you have to roll this. Apply glue here and roll this. Be careful while rolling this. See how carefully I am doing this. Roll this carefully. And once again I am applying here glue and I am rolling this. Isn't it easy, Nana? You all can do this in your houses, right? And you can make your flowers in your flower pots. Now I want this green pot also. So apply glue for this. Apply glue for this. Now roll this here again. It's very simple, right? See, now the flowers have been completed. Now you have to do little bit like this so that they'll come out, they won't stick to that stem. Okay, na. This is the another finished one I have done. This is the another finished one. Aren't they looking beautiful? Till now we have completed 3 flowers, right? First one is hibiscus, second one is string, and the third one is this grass flowers, right? Now I'll show you how to make a rose. All you need is, you have to take, I want to take here red color paper because rose will be in red color, right? Now make a circle over here on the paper. Now if you won't get perfect circle with your hand, you can use compass or you can use any other instruments for making a round. Now I am cutting this circle. I am cutting this circle. Now you can draw this round continuation circles like this. See here, Nana. It's very easy. You have to draw like this. Next, you have to cut that on the circle, on that line. Cut carefully on that line which we have drawn, okay? These flowers will look very beautiful, Nana. You can make wall hangings with these flowers and you can decorate your project books. They are very easy to make and they look very beautiful and attractive. Now what you have to do is, just you have to roll this. See here how I am rolling this. You have to just roll this inside. See here how I am doing this. If you want, you can take help from your parents or your sisters, cousins. It is very easy and you can decorate your project books, your flower pots. You can make wall hangings with these flowers. See, till the edge I am rolling this. Be careful. After rolling this, little bit make it loose. See, now my flower has came here. Now apply glue down here. Okay, now and stick it here. And keep this aside. Now take the paper. We want to make strip. We want to make stem, right? So I am taking this paper and I am cutting this. And you should roll for making this a stem as we have done in our previous flower. See, you have to roll like this. See how I am rolling this. If you want, you can do it now. You are having papers in your books, right? You can tear one paper and you can do it now with me. It will be very easy for you. See how I am rolling this. After this we have to glue it here. Okay na? Now cut the both edges here. You have to cut this both edges. Now what you have to do is, you have to stick this rose flower here, but it won't stick here because here we are having the round base. Here also we are having the same round base, so we can't stick this like here. So what we have to do is, we have to cut this here. You have to cut this. See, I am cutting this into 4 equal parts. I am cutting this into 4 equal parts and I am opening this like this. This will become the base for our flower. So we can stick our flower here like this. So now apply glue here. Now keep your flower here very carefully. See, you have to press here like this, or else it won't stick, Nana. You have to keep it here like this, or else it will fall down. Now we have to make leaves for this flower. Now I am drawing here a leaf shape. I want 2 leaves here, so I am drawing here 2 leaves and I'll cut these leaves. I am cutting these leaves. And I'll paste it here. If you want a bigger flower, you can take bigger round. If you want smaller flower, you can take small round. It depends upon you, okay? So now I want small flower, so I took small round. If you want big flower, you can take big round. Now what you have to do is, you have to same roll it back, then it will bend down. I am rolling this 2 leaves back. Now you have to glue it here. Apply glue and keep it here. And next apply glue here. Okay na? I have kept 2 leaves. See, isn't the flower is beautiful? Is it looking like real rose, right? See how beautiful it is. This is another one. If you take big round, then the flower will come in bigger size. If you take small round, then the flower will come in small size. These are the rose flowers which we made. Okay na? You can make wall hangings like this. See, with this same rose flowers we made this wall hanging. You all required is 25 roses and 10 sticks. We had made these sticks, right? Base. So same the base sticks we had made, and we had kept like a base for these roses, and here we have a sticked this rose flowers here. These flowers are made with chart papers, Nana. Chart papers will be available in the market, right? So with those chart papers, these pink color flowers are made. They are very easy and you can make very beautifully. See, aren't they beautiful? You can also try this at your home. Now the next one is, I'll show you the flowers with best out of waste. I'll show you how to make birds. Okay, now for that bird, what we required is polythene covers. In our home, there are different types of polythene covers, right? Like white, black, blue, orange, or there are different types of covers. So now I am taking here blue color polythene cover. Now what I am doing is, firstly you have to cut both the edges of the polythene cover. See how you have to do this. I am cutting these edges of the polythene cover. You have to cut both the edges, Nana. Be careful while doing. The cover is very delicate. It will tear very easily. Now you have to open this. Open this. Next what you have to do is cut this cover into strips. See, cut this into equal strips, Nana. Don't make strips of your size. Make this into equal strips. See, I am cutting this, and I'll want this paper strips. You have to cut this. How many you need? You want to cut those like that. And what you have to do is, now you have to cut this into squares. See, you have to cut this into equal squares. This is very easy, and with low expenditure we can make this. It will make our house look beautiful. Now what you have to do is, you have to take cotton and thread. For this we required cotton, thread and polythene cover. Now what I am doing is, you have to take the cover, and you have to, if you are not having this synthetic cotton, you can also use this regular cotton. If you are not having this synthetic cotton, you can also use this regular cotton, Nana. See, now I am using this regular cotton. Take this small ball and put it into this and give a knot for this. With the thread, give a knot for this. You know how to do knots? See, you have to rotate this like this and like this. You have to give the knots. Like how we tie the flowers. Like this. How many birds you want, you can make that many birds here. See here, I am doing here. Now I just show you the string with only 5 birds. So I'll do only 5 here. It is very easy, and it will add it will be very easy, and it will add beautification to your flower vase. It will look fantastic. Isn't it easy? You can try all this in your home and make your flower vase beautiful by keeping these flowers. See how I am doing here. You can tie this. If you don't know how to tie, you can take help from your parents. Okay, Nana? They will help you out in doing this. See, now I have made this 5 birds here. Now I am taking this broomstick. So as usual we have to take out this unwanted part from this. So you have to take the cutter and you have to take out the unwanted part and you have to cut both the edges, right? I am taking out this unwanted part and I have cutted both the edges here. Now you have to keep this bird here like this and you have to tie it here. See, you have to tie this here like this, and you have to tie this also, Nana, or else it will look odd and it will make your string ugly. See, you have to rotate this here like this. After that, again I am taking another one. And you have to rotate here like this. This cover should be closed. Okay, now you have to attach these strings like this, one after another one. And after that, what you have to do is, you have to take this green tape and you have to keep it here. You have to rotate this green tape on this like this. Is it clear? See, I am covering this thread part with my green tape. Okay, na? I'll show you the finished article now. See, these are the finished articles. I have made these with different colors. See, these are the different articles. We'll get polythene covers of different colors, no, Nana. So this I made with blue. If you are not having green tape, you can tie only this. You can tie this very nearly thread. Okay, na? See how I have kept this. Observe this closely so that you will get an idea. This I made with orange color cover and this I made with pink color polythene cover and this with black. Isn't it clear? Is it easy for you? Next we'll go for we'll make this flower. Okay, na? I'll show you how to make this flower. For this you need is color paper as usual. So now I want pink color paper. So now I'm taking pink color. As usual, for we have done this for the show flower known as hibiscus. We have to fold this. We have to cut this. See here, I am folding this into half and into another half. Now take the pencil and here I am drawing a shape of the petal. Now cut this very carefully. I am cutting this. See, I am cutting here and cutting this, and you have to open this. So if we want to turn this back like this, right, to bend the petal, so it won't be sufficient here, it can't bend, so I am cutting this extra one. little extra I am cutting here, so that our flower will look very beautifully. See, if we open, it will look like this. Now here I want to take out one petal. In hibiscus flower we have removed two pieces, right? Now I am taking out here one, and we have to overlap this like this. We have to overlap this. Take Fevicol and apply on one petal and overlap it on another petal. See, like this. Okay, Nana, is it clear? Now what you have to do is, we have to keep center part. For that I am taking yellow color and I am making this into a small, cutting this piece. I want only this much paper. I have cutted this, and we have to cut this into small strings. See how I am cutting here. I am cutting this yellow color paper into strings. For all flowers procedure is same, Nana, but it variation is different. Now open this and turn this back as we have done for the previous one. Take glue and apply it here and turn, paste it. Okay, na? Now we have to take green color paper and we have to make that stem, right? We have to cut this into half. And make stem, as we have done this in our previous flowers. For stem, for all the stems the procedure is same, Nana. You have to do like this only. You have to rotate. See how I am rotating, observe it keenly. Now you have to apply glue here. If it comes loose, make it tight. Rotate this like this, then it will become little tight and it will come nicely. Now apply glue here and close this. Okay, na? For the stems you have to definitely cut this two parts, up and down, the excess cross part. Now you have to rotate this here. Okay, na? Now apply glue here and rotate this. See, I am rotating this here. Observe carefully. See how I am doing it here. I have rotated this and sticked it here and little bit open these petals. See. Okay, na? Now take this yellow, pink color. We have cutted this. No. Now you have to do this. You have to bend your petals with your scissors. Okay, na? If the petals will bend, they'll look more beautiful, Nana. See, and now you have to cut here little to insert the stem here. I am cutting here little. Now you have to insert the stem in this. Okay na? If you want, you can apply glue here. See. Apply glue here. And now make the leaves for that. I am drawing 2 leaves here on my paper, and I'll cut this. I'll cut these leaves and I'll paste it there. For these leaves also you have to bend them, Nana, so that when you will bend the leaves and the petals, then it will look realistic. Okay na? Now bend these leaves. It is very easy. If you will try it once, it will come, Nana. Take the scissor and roll it. That's it. Now take the glue and paste it here. Here also same. See, isn't it easy? How easily we are doing flowers, right? See here, paste it here. See, the flower is ready. Now I'll show you how to make chrysanthemum flower. This is chrysanthemum. So, last 5 minutes. So, I'll explain you how to do this chrysanthemum flower. This will be your task. Okay, Nana? For this, what you have to do is, you have to take 3 strips. You have to take 3 strips of different sizes. Okay, na? First will be smaller, and the second will be little bigger than that, and the third will be bigger. See, I am taking the strips of 3 sizes. Now you have to cut this into small pieces like this. For this we have done, right? Same like that only we have to do this here. For these 3 pieces, after doing this, we have to make the stem, and we have to first rotate this smaller one and the next middle size, and after you have to rotate the bigger size. After that, you have to bend these petals inside, not outside. For these petals, what we have done? We have bended these petals outside, right? Now we have to bend petals inside for this one. Okay, na? So you make the stem first, and first take the smaller size and rotate the smaller size, next medium size, and then bigger size. This is your task for this class. After this, you have to make all these flowers which I have shown you. Make all these flowers which I have shown you now in the class and submit to the principal or your house masters. Okay, na? These are your tasks. Note down the task and complete it and show it after reopening of the school. Thank you.